Hello and welcome. Today we will practice simple English with a small story. Sarah and Liam are going for a calm walk in the zoo. They look at animals, ask simple questions, and learn a few easy words. Listen carefully. What animal do they see first? Keep your focus on the sounds and the simple lines. Enjoy the video and relax.
Hi, Liam. Are we ready for the zoo?
Yes, Sarah, I am ready.
Look, the entrance is here.
Great, let's go inside.
Do we have tickets?
Yes, I have them in my hand.
Good. What animal will we see first?
I think lions, maybe?
Oh, lions. That is interesting.
Let's walk slowly. We can take our time.
This map is small, but it is nice.
Yes, I see a path here.
Do we go left or right?
I think we go left.
Okay, let's follow this.
Shh, listen. I hear animals.
Me too. It sounds loud.
It is close. Let's walk.
Right. I'm ready.
We will be there soon.
Wow, Liam. Look at the lion.
Yes, it is big and calm.
Is it sleeping?
Maybe it is resting.
I want to see it move.
Let's wait a little.
Okay. How do lions feel?
I think they feel safe here.
That is good.
Now we go to the next animal.
Yes, let's go. Look, birds are here.
Yes, mini birds. They are fast.
Do we feed them now?
I think we can. Be careful, okay?
Okay, I have food.
Good. Not too much.
One little bit, like this.
Wow, they come close.
They are so beautiful.
Let's watch for 1 minute, then go.
All right. Liam, the giraffe is so tall.
Yes, it is higher than the trees.
Can we give food?
Only a little. Slow hands.
Okay, I am slow.
Good job. Look at its face.
It is gentle.
Do you feel excited?
Yes, a little.
Now we walk to the next place.
Let's go. It is cold in here.
Yes, but it is nice.
Look at the fish. They are small.
And fast. Wait, that one is big.
Wow, it is beautiful.
Do you like aquariums?
Yes, they feel calm.
I like the colors.
Let's go see the next animals.
Okay. After this, elephants.
Elephants, really? Elephants are big.
Yes, they move slowly.
Look, the trunk is moving.
Yes, it is smelling the air.
That is interesting.
Do you want some water?
Yes, please, just a little.
Here you are.
Thanks. I feel good now.
Let's take a short break and then continue.
Okay. This drink is cold.
Yes, it is hot outside.
Do you want a snack?
Maybe. What is this?
It is a small cookie.
Okay, thank you.
Here.
This is good.
How many animals did we see?
1, 2, 3. More than I thought.
Nice. Let's keep walking. The path is busy today.
Yes, but it is okay.
I hear birds again.
Maybe in the next area.
Wait, the children are looking this way.
Let's see, just 1 minute.
Okay, I am curious.
After this, we go to the gift shop.
Gift shop, I like that.
Me too. Small souvenirs.
All right, let's go. I think we are near the end.
Yes, we still have time.
Where is the gift shop?
It is here, on the map.
Okay, let's go.
Are you tired?
A little, but I am happy.
That's good. We can rest and walk slowly.
Thank you, Liam.
You're welcome. Ready?
Yes, let's go. This giraffe is cute.
Yes, it looks soft.
I want this one.
Or we can take a small keychain.
What do you think?
I think the keychain is easy.
Okay, but I like plush toys.
Let's choose one each.
Good idea. I will take the giraffe.
And I take this keychain.
Nice. Let's go pay. We did it, Liam. The zoo is finished.
Yes, we saw many animals.
First we saw lions.
Then birds and giraffes too.
And the aquarium. It was cool.
Elephants were my favorite.
Mine was the giraffe.
We have souvenirs now.
Yes. Let's go home.
Okay, Sarah. See you soon.
Bye, zoo. Bye, animals.
How was it? I hope you enjoyed this walk in the zoo and that you heard a lot of simple English. Can you remember? What animal did you see first? Lions or something else? Keep practicing by listening and repeating these short lines. When you practice like this, you learn faster in a natural way. On this channel, I share calm stories in slow, easy English for beginners. I will keep uploading videos like this, so stay with me. See you next time. Bye, and have a great day.